checks. Hold me back like you owe your tax. Hold me back like you owe your tax.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Jordan Nicole. Thank you so much for stopping by. I have a lot of stuff in store for you guys right now at this very moment because literally I am about to start packing for Jamaica. I leave literally next week, and I wanted you guys to be a part of my come with me in my luggage, in my nice suitcase, and so I can show you guys what I'll be packing when I leave. So yeah, when I leave. Oh my gosh, where are my words? I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing and what I'll be wearing over there, what I'll be styling or whatnot. So yeah, you guys stay tuned if you want to see more. You know what to do. We're actually leaving. Me and my best friend and a couple other girls are going with us to Jamaica. We're all going to Jamaica February 27th of 2020. So that is next week. According to while I'm filming this video, I cannot talk. So yeah, we're going to Jamaica. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get over there. And we leave, what I say, on the 27th. So we leave at 6 in the morning. So definitely stay tuned for the vlog because I'm going to have a vlog portion too. So you guys can see what it's like, you know, the whole process of us getting on the plane and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's going to be super fun. And I want you guys to stay tuned. So make sure you keep watching and stay tuned for the next episode, which will be the vlog, first part of the vlog portion. So just watch out on that, and make sure if you are not subscribed to my channel, you get subscribed. I don't know what you're waiting for. And also push that notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I'm uploading a video, and you will be the first to know about everything that's going on in Jordan Nicole's life. Sounds so selfish, but I'm not selfish. I just want you guys to follow along with me and what I do, so I can learn more about you, learn more about me. You know how that goes? You got it. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's get started. Excuse me if I keep looking this way. Camera's definitely that way, but we're not paying attention to that. Okay, whatever. But anyway, so I'm not lifting it. It's kind of heavy. Okay. This is him, her, what you want to call it. But yeah, it's not hard solid, so it's pretty durable and sturdy. And I need it to be that way because we have some layovers, and you know, they'll be moving luggage left and right because we leave at 6 in the morning, and we are going from Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale. So that will be, I don't know the exact times, but yeah, from Atlanta to Fort Lauderdale, that's our layover. It's like a 2.5 or 1 hour layover. And then from Fort Lauderdale we go to, of course, Montego Bay, and then we're there for a few days. We're there for, I think, 4 days, 3 days, no, 4 days, 5 days, 4 days. Y'all don't know, don't get me the line. I think we're there for a week. So yeah, so that's the story about that. And yeah, that's about it. And then when we fly back, we have like a 6 hour layover, which really sucks, but we didn't want to spend like $700 for a round trip. That doesn't sound that expensive, which is not, but I don't want to spend $700 for no plane ticket. You hear me? And no ma'am, no sis. So yeah, also stay tuned because I'm also going to do a vlog about me getting ready for the trip. Technically, I'm not ready. As you can see, I'm barehanded. There are no nails right now, which is okay, but it's not okay actually. Don't listen to me. But yeah, I'm barehanded right now, so I'll have nails on soon. I get them done next week. So I get my nails done on the 23rd. Or the 24th, and I get my wax on the 25th. So you guys are coming with me to get my first wax. It's a Brazilian, and I might cry. So y'all just be there for me, please. I need all the support I can get. Anyways, into the part that we're supposed to be focusing on, which is the packing. So technically, I'm already packed a little bit. Give me luggage inside of it. So I have my stuff packed right here. Some outfits packed or whatever. So yeah, beautifully packed. So first off, I do have a few different things. So these are a few of the outfits that I have. You don't see anything right now except just stuff on the bed. Okay, so it looks kind of crazy, but yeah. They're like grandma panties. These are high waisties or whatever. They're super cute. They're the floral pattern. I got them like a year ago, but I love these. I've only worn it one time. Well, I love this bathing suit. I've only worn it one time. But yeah. Let's see. It's like a rash type bathing suit. The long sleeves, the top. Let's get you guys back some. So that's one bathing suit. I have like 4 that's coming for me. Call me extra if you want. I don't care. I have to look good out here. You hear me? We're going to Jamaica. Out of all places. Like where the sun always shines, prayerfully that always is going to be shining when we're there. Anyways. But we have an Airbnb. No hotel, you guys. We're doing it big, y'all. But yeah, we have, it comes with a doorman, a maid, and a chef. So, y'all, I'm so excited. That's like a really big perk about going because you just feel like royalty while you're down there. That's the main point. Like, come on, y'all. Well, just be with me here. But anyways, why did I put this on the bed? Did I say this go in the suitcase? It does. Okay, I'm doing this for you guys, literally. Because I don't want to take this stuff out. Okay. Or 5, whatever I said. So this is my second bathing suit. Whoever watches this, you guys are going to see this beautiful thing.
Long, let me see that thong.
I got this from Amazon. I forgot how much it was, but it wasn't that expensive. It was like $14. It's this. It comes, of course, with underwear. It's just a bikini top, a bikini style. Here's the top. It's really stringy and strappy, and so that's that piece. And then it comes with a cover up or a shirt cover up. So it's like a little mini. So yeah, you get all this for what, $14.99 I think, or like $13.99. It's really cute though. They have a whole bunch of different colors, you guys. The next bathing suit, it says thick thighs saves lives. Does not make sense. I actually had a video about this. I made one a while ago. It's describing the bathing suits, and I was talking about how that wording is so off. Like they added extra S to saves. Huh? It just don't make sense. You hear me? But we're just gonna be rocking it anyways. So yeah, that's another bathing suit I'm taking. And with that bathing suit, not a thong in the back, by the way. It covers your butt. I have the little sheer pants, of course, with the little, see the little frill on the side? Yes, I'm so loving this. When I tried this on, I was like, okay, I don't think I'm gonna like it. And when I actually put them on, I was like, sis, oh yes, oh yes. Like, we about to be styling, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. So this is another cover up. Well, you know I'm all about the brightness, y'all. Look, we going to Jamaica. We need all the brights, honey. I need to be seen. You hear me? And it has just some type of little design on the side. I don't know if you can really see that. It's like silver and sparkly. I thought it was too cute. And it's super long. That, and it has like a split on the side, so the split literally goes up to like here. It's pretty dope though. I was like, okay, that should be cute. I ordered this cute fanny from Fashion Nova. I am so in love with this, you guys. You hear me? Like, it's like so cute. And I've never had a fanny, and I never thought I would want a fanny, but this fanny's cute. So yeah, and it has like this really thick buckle, and it just comes loose. I love it. It's like a little seatbelt. Buckle up, kids. Apparently not. Okay, anyway. Oh, top. It's a halter top. Am I saying that right? No. Halter. It shows your belly. I forgot what you call those tops. I don't think it's halter though. But anyways, it's super cute. I love the color, like a little burgundy wine red color, and it ties to the front or to the back. It's however really, it's your preference. And it came with some cute shorts. You can see they're not super short, not super long, but they're stretchy in the waist, and that should be really cool. And they're really flowy. The material is really soft, so this should be nice and cool because I've heard it's really muggy and humid in Jamaica. So yeah, we don't need those problems. You hear me? No problems. I also got this from Forever 21. It's just a plain yellow t-shirt. I honestly forgot I had it. It's quite wrinkly. Don't worry, y'all. When we get to Jamaica, I hope they got irons. Of course, it's a whole nother place. I'm tripping out. But yeah. Y'all, my knees hurt. cut them up, by the way. So don't pay attention to this because these will be cuffed like you know how you have your cuff jeans. I didn't want to sew it down because my thigh is pretty thick, y'all. You seen the bathing suit, what it said, thick thighs, save lives. Beautiful, long. It goes all the way to the feet. It's really flowy and loose. Preference, I wear this dress. I actually have had this for a while. I actually stole it from my mom's closet. Hey mom, if you're watching this, I stole your clothes. She'll be okay with it. Oh, don't worry. But anyways, I got this from my closet and it doesn't say where it's from. Love Stitch. I don't know, but it's super cute. And my preference is to wear this without a bra because it just looks better to me. If you wear it with a bra, you know the straps. Maybe a strapless bra, sure, but it sits so close to your skin, you could probably see the imprint of a bra, and I just don't want those problems. To go in the front, it crisscrosses in the back. In the back, it's crisscrossy and strappy, as you can see, and it goes all the way to the floor as well. I'm super tall, you guys. I'm like 5'11", 6 foot on a good day. So, given that these, just imagine if you're shorter than I am and you wear this. Ew, that's terrible. I know you guys can see it too. It's like a yellow stainish looking thing. Okay, well these are supposed to come with me. They might not be coming. Got them from Old Navy, so let's just hope I can go find some more shorts from Old Navy that are white. But yeah, this was supposed to be outfit number 5, but we're just gonna put that to the side unless I can get that yellow stain out with some bleach. We'll see. I'll just put that to the side because I don't know about that one. There's another top that I got from Forever 21, right? Yep. It was on sale for $5. They had a whole stuff going on. Do y'all guys see the detail in the lace? The lace at the bottom, it is gorgeous. Jeans, as you can see. I love these jeans. I actually got them from a mall. It's like a little boutique store or whatever, but they're very comfortable. Yeah, from Forever 21 that I got on sale. No, this was not on sale. This was full price, but I don't care because it's super cute. But anyway, the buttons in the back. So the back is just plain, you know. And it's like Bestie, me and her, she has a black one. Well, not the same style, but similar. It shows your tummy a little bit. It has like a little peekaboo hole right here. A little bow. Super cute. Olive green with some leaves on them. I got these from Old Navy like 5 years ago, y'all. It's been a minute, but they have lasted that long. Old Navy's clothes are really good. Good quality clothes, you guys. Definitely give Old Navy its cred. This is not sponsored, I'm just saying. I love Old Navy. But yes, I'm pairing these shorts with this cute top that's quite wrinkled that I got from Forever 21 as well when I went, because they're having this super cute sale. It's a peplum looking ruffled type top that's like a blush color that I love. A bow detail that you tie around your waist with the straps. But yeah, probably wear this to the airport. Just a cute little fit. It's comfortable. So these are the pants. I have not shown you guys the full fit. This is the top. Now my millins did not fit so well in these. I'm a little bigger than this, by the way, but it's okay, Becky, because we're gonna get it together. We're gonna do a little squeezy poo. You hear me? We don't have a choice because I bought it already and I can't return this. You hear me? No, so we gonna make this work. The cup size is like, I mean, it's not that bad. It's a super cute top though, but you see how little it is. They didn't have anything over extra large. I think I needed like a 1X, but it's okay. Just because I'm tall, so I just had to get what they had, and I didn't want to leave it. And it also came with this cute little shawl cover up. It's super long, it pretty much hits the floor. I'm pretty tall, and for me to be 5'11", 6 foot, all this stuff is pretty long on me. As far as the club, I got something on my sleeve. Pretty skirt. Y'all see how shiny it is in the light? Ugh. And it has a little split right here. I wish the split was a little higher, but you know, it's all good. It's pretty. It fits really good. I got a 1X and it fits like an XL a little bit, so it'll be all good with the size or whatever. Here's the top. So the top is skirt, top, and it doesn't come to, it's like the belly out a belly out type fit a little bit. So got this cute fit from Nova. So that's one of these. These are just biker shorts. I love them because it has K-Swiss on it. But we're gonna be ATVing out there is what I was told. So you know, you need something that's stylish but can get dirty and you really don't care about it too much. So tank with the slick Jamaican colors in it. Technically, yeah. I'm loving that detail. It's so pretty. But yeah, so this is a crop top that I'll probably be wearing with some biker shorts, just not the K-Swiss ones. I mean, it possibly could go, but not too sure. Also, you know, a whole bunch of tank tops, of course. Those are essentials that you have to take. Trees and stuff packed in little baggies, Ziploc bags, smart, so toothbrush and stuff, the tube with the soap and my razor. And this is just like body stuff, so deodorants, your essential oils, and another body oil. Also taking my Gold Dust Shimmer Mist by Bath and Body Works. This stuff smells amazing. It's champagne toast scent. If you guys know what champagne toast tastes like, don't eat this. What it smells like, it smells amazing. Sandy wanted to join in this video. Say hello, Sandy. If you guys have not met Sandy, this is my niece, my best friend's puppy. I have a cat, so we'll do a video about share my pet with you video or something like that. I'll figure it out. But yes, this is Sandy. She wanted to be in the camera. Comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. It's in the corner. But yeah, just stay tuned. I have a lot of stuff coming up. The vlog for Jamaica, of course, that is the next thing that'll be posted, so please stay tuned for that. You guys will definitely want to see what goes on down there. Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Tower Isle. It's gonna be amazing, so just stay tuned, and thanks again for watching. Bye.